Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you all what we have here, me and Penny have here. It's a 3-pack of female dog diapers with suspenders. So we're going to give this thing a try here. I'll open this up. I'm going to put her here on this table and hopefully she won't fall off it. She usually is pretty even-tempered about stuff. She likes helping me out with these things. She likes the attention, that's for sure. Okay, so here we go. I got size small. My puppy's fairly small. So this is what it looks like here. So if you've ever used the dog diapers, it kind of goes, the tail goes through there, the legs come out here, and then this wraps around her. So, hi Penny. So we're gonna aim you down and I'll show you guys how we assemble this onto my puppy. Right, Penny? Good girls. Okay, right there. Let's see, give me that tail. So we'll put the tail through there. Oh, Penny, stop. So we'll put the tail through. We will wrap her up and around there and around there. So there's Penny with a diaper on. So that's kind of how it looks. She doesn't need it. She doesn't need it at the moment. So I'm gonna take it off and I'll show you guys the diaper up close. Okay, there you go. Oh, Penny, you wanna go down? Okay, there you go, good girl. Okay, so this is it here. So you can see it's got made out of cloth and it's absorbent here. It's got some sort of absorbency, padding kind of layer in there. Up here, nothing, I guess, on the top, so you don't really need to have the absorbency is all right here. And it's by Idepet right there. And so it's cool, and you get a 3 set of these, so if your dog is going through heat or whatever and needs to have the these, you could do that, or surgery or something like that, that's what, so if they get spayed and then you don't want them to be, biting at it or whatever, the area, this is good to put on for that. Lots of different uses for these here, or if they just need it for some particular reason. So it comes with 3 of them. It looks like they're 3 different colors. Oops. Oh, I forgot that there were suspenders on it too. I mean, that would have stayed on her anyways, but then these are suspenders that we could attach around her head as well. So cool that it comes with that, and they match, and then we have these 3 different colors here. So 1, 2, 3. You can see what the colors are. I'm colorblind, so I don't know what they would be called, but there we go. And then we have the 3 matching suspenders. How cool is that? Nice little setup. Thumbs up for sure.